Hello planner people, I am back with another unboxing and it's a Gillio. Surprise, surprise, I know you're shocked. This is the first one I've ever had opened by customs. I don't know why that makes me feel so happy that customs had to open my package. You know, like I'm getting so many packages from Gillio now, they're starting to get suspicious of me. I don't know why that tickles me. But anyway, I was really excited to get this because this is from the Muppets collection. So if you know anything about Gillio, or if you follow Gillio, you know they had a batch of leather that didn't meet their standards, and they went on their live video and they said, hey, you know, we either have to sell these that don't meet our standards at a steep discount, or we have to incinerate them so we can write them off. And everyone that is a Gillio fan was like, no, don't incinerate the Gillios. You must not do it. It's blasphemy. So we all wanted to adopt them and give them good homes. So this is the first one that I ordered, and there are 2 more on the way. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox this and let's see how it looks. Oh, I'm really nervous. Oh. Ooh, it's pretty. It's really nice. Okay, so I've never really been a fan of ostrich because I thought it looked very pimply and it kind of grossed me out. But the thing I liked about this is, you know, when they were talking about this on the Gillio video, they said, you know, these are very flat. And they are. They're just like, now, granted, this isn't real ostrich. This is printed, but even the previous printed ostrich, or printed to look like ostrich, I thought looked too bumpy. It looked kind of like cysts or pimples, and I just couldn't imagine it. You know, it just grossed me out. But when they said that this was nice and smooth, I was like, yeah, I'm on board with that. And I really like this dark brown color. So I'm glad I took a chance on this Muppet. This one is called Rowlf, I think. It's the one named after the dog. So I think it looks really good. I don't have any issue with this at all. I know they said that after a while you can have some cracking, or the whatever they seal it with can start peeling. But you know, we got such a good discount on this, it just won't bother me because you know, this is one I'm going to throw in my purse and never worry about, you know, oh, am I going to get a pen mark on it, or my key's going to, you know, put a little ding in it. So this, I actually really like this. So I like this color so much that the other 2 I ordered are also in this same color, but now I kind of feel like I want to get one of the lighter ones too. So I think it looks good. I like it, and I feel like I got a really good deal on it for a very pretty planner. So I can't complain. Now, if you are thinking about going to Gillio and getting one of these, you should know that there's going to be no warranty on them. So if it starts cracking or peeling, then you're kind of on your own. So buyer beware. I'm not worried about it because whatever happens, I'm just going to deal with it. You know, I'm just going to carry it and be like, well, that's my Rowlfie. So it does feel nice. It's soft, and oh man, I'm so glad this isn't pimply. So he's got cute polka dots, but not like icky pustules. I don't know. I like it. So I'm very happy that I took a chance on a Muppet. And I wish I would have grabbed a Miss Piggy before they sold out. I delayed. I should know that anytime pink comes out, that I should not hesitate. Just buy the pink. And then if you don't like it, you can always sell it. But they, for some reason, the pink ones just always seem to disappear in a hurry. So anyway, so this is a slim Appunto. I have this color in an A6 Campagna and also a medium Campagna with 30 millimeter rings on the way to me as well. I might break down and buy a pocket XL. I am very weak, so the more I think about it, it's going to be hard to resist. Although I wish I would just buy everything at once so I was not paying separate shipping, but that's just how I roll sometimes. I don't always do things that make sense. It doesn't really seem as bad when I look at my bank account, and I have several, I'm going to say, smaller purchases to Gillio. It would make me feel even worse if I had bought all three and saw one giant deduction out of my bank account. I'm paying extra postage, which is stupid, but on the other hand, then I don't feel quite as guilty about the amount coming out. It doesn't seem quite as bad in chunks. So anyway, so thanks for joining me. I probably will do an unboxing of my other two and a flip through when I get them set up. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to be, I'm kind of wavering on my planner size, so we'll see what happens. So thanks for joining me. Bye.